Imagine doubling what you charge without doubling the hours and having automated tests that prove clients will actually pay it. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 26. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll get the exact pricing lab to run this week, 3 priced packages, a live micro-offer test, and the precise prompts and stock to make it repeatable.
Wait, double the rate without doubling hours? No way. That can't be a blanket promise.
No, not a blanket promise. The trick is value-based packaging and
testing it quickly so you don't alienate existing clients. Okay, show me the guardrails.
Exactly. Start by pricing outcomes, not hours. Package the results clients care about into 3 distinct offers, light, growth, and done for you, and run cheap micro offers to learn what the market will actually pay. Use AI to generate candidate packages and messaging, then validate with real payments so you're not guessing.
Right, but how do listeners actually structure the experiment so results aren't just noise?
2 parts, the tech stack to run fast tests and a tiny Airtable lab to capture signals. First, the stock, an LLM, OpenAI or similar, to generate packages and copy. Airtable as the experiment database, Typeform for micro offers.
Right.
Webflow or Unbounce for quick landing pages, Stripe for payments, Zapier or Make to automate webhooks and flows, and Google Sheets for quick analytics. That combo gets offers live fast and keeps the manual work tiny.
Love the minimalism. Give me the exact seed prompt people can paste so they don't waste time crafting language.
You are an expert product designer for B2B freelance services. Given these inputs, client industry, top 3 client outcomes, current average hourly rate, and typical project timeline, generate 3 productized service packages, light, growth, done for you. For each package include price, 1-sentence value statement, 3 deliverables, expected time to value for the client, and a 15-word objection handling reply.
Totally. That removes paralysis. Now, the Airtable. What's the minimal schema so the lab teaches you something real?
Keep it tiny. Offer ID, package name, price, value statement, landing URL, traffic source, conversions, payments, time to first payment, qualitative feedback. Add a derived field like effective price per outcome to normalize price against client KPIs. Then run the same micro offer across 3 traffic buckets, organic, paid cold, and partner referrals.
Quick statistical sanity. Treat the first 20 clicks as directional. Don't pivot off that. If something converts at 3x baseline across 2 channels, you're onto something. If it only wins on friends and family traffic, be skeptical.
Exactly. And for your Typeform flow, keep friction minimal. Headline that mirrors the landing promise, 3 multiple choice paths for the packages, 1 open field for main outcome you need in the next 90 days, and require payment only on the micro offer. Charge a non-refundable kickoff fee. It weeds out tire kickers.
I like the kickoff fee, but make the scope explicit. An automated invoice with vague deliverables is where scope creep and resentment starts.
Agreed. Automation doesn't replace governance. Example Zapier flow. When Typeform payment succeeds, create an Airtable record, send a templated welcome email with a Calendly link for the kickoff, and add the client to your delivery board in Notion or Trello. That removes manual admin while enforcing a paid kickoff and a scope lock.
Right.
Ethics check. Don't fake scarcity. Don't overpromise outcomes you can't demonstrate. And always include a remediation plan if a delivery misses the mark. Transparency scales trust. And trust is the one currency that keeps higher prices sustainable.
Quick friction check. Are we saying AI decides prices for us? Some listeners will fear handing pricing to a model.
Not at all. Think of AI as a rapid research assistant that proposes packages and messaging. You verify, adjust, and own the value. Human judgment guides scope, ethics, and final pricing. The human plus AI advantage is exactly that balance.
Nice. Give listeners a simple rule of thumb for when a test is worth scaling.
Rule of thumb, aim for roughly 100 meaningful visitors per test when possible. If a package increases average payment per visit by 30% without collapsing conversion, it's a green flag. If sample sizes are small, aggregate across similar audiences and treat early wins as directional, not definitive.
And the real Nomad payoff? How does this net more income while freeing up time?
When you sell outcomes instead of hours, you can standardize deliverables, batch work, and reuse templates. For example, convert a 10-hour audit into a standardized 5-step process with an AI-generated checklist and a deliverable template. That can drop human time to 3 hours while holding price near the original value. The net, higher revenue per client, fewer billable hours, better margins.
Okay, practical now. What's a 1-hour mini lab someone can run tonight?
1-hour mini lab checklists. Pick a single service you deliver often. Open the seed prompt and fill 4 inputs: industry, top 3 outcomes, current hourly rate, typical timeline.
Got it.
Run the LLM, generate 3 packages, create 3 typeform options and a single landing page with clear CTAs, and wire typeform to Stripe for a $49 to $149 micro offer kickoff. You can have offers live in an hour and start seeing signals within days.
Paste this quick prompt tonight. Generate 3 service packages for a freelance role serving industry. For each package, price, 1-line value promise, 3 deliverables, average delivery time, and a 15-word reply to the top objection. Keep language client-facing and outcome-focused. Fill the brackets and hit run.
Final operational tips. Grandfather existing clients. Communicate changes with upgrade paths and limited time discounts, and test public pricing only on new leads for a few weeks. Lock scope templates and require the paid kickoff so automation doesn't become an escape hatch for ambiguous work.
Let's make this actually work for you. Start small, validate with real payments, lock scope, and iterate. That balance keeps growth ethical and profitable.
If you want the templates, Airtable bases, Zapier recipes, landing page layouts, and a guided 7-day lab that walks you through each step, join the Automate Your Nomad Income Lab. You get the exact stocks and scripts so you don't build this from scratch. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Small tests, honest promises, and clear scope. That's the human plus AI advantage. Try tonight's mini lab. Observe the signals, then iterate.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. This changes everything for nomads.